Hi people. So today in the mail, I got my Boxy charm, finally! For, what is it, September 2019. This is what the box was for, but it arrived just today. I don't know, I don't care. I'm excited to see what's going on in here, and apparently the mailman was too. I'm trying to like sneak in my box, what the hell? Ridiculous. Alright, very excited. Let's hope this is much better than the Sephora Playbox, which I did cancel my subscription to. What's in here? What's in here? Da-da-da. It's like a treasure box. Oh, there's a lot of bubble wrap. So, hey, you like bubble wrap? There you go. Alright. Boxy charm. All access. Woo! That sounds exciting. I don't want to read all that right now. I just want to see what the fuck I got. Alright, so the first thing I see is Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Cream by Sunday Riley. This is usually a very, very expensive brand. And more than likely, it probably has some sort of silicone in, and I won't be able to use it, but I'm going to give it to my mom. She'll probably like it. So how much is this? This usually goes for $65. So already, like, we're way over the price of the box. What is this? What? Palettes. I love palettes. Violet Voss Essentials. Let's see what it looks like. Hold on, I'll show you guys. It's just so exciting. Whoa. Whoa, look at the... Oh, they got a pretty pink and a pretty, like, emerald color. And the ever so lovely... Oh! Can y'all see my cat pictures? What up, cats? No, what? That's so cool. What? This retails for $29. Huh. This is like a trip to Sephora, only much, much, much cheaper. Okay. Wow, I've been seeing people that got this. The natural face. Whatever. And I've been wanting it. I think it's like a contour palette. Of course, I gotta open it and show you guys. So I'm just like, woo, 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 what's in here? Ooh. Better be shiny. Ooh, it is. Some shimmer shades in there. For like fucking... What? It smells pretty good too. It smells kind of like vanilla. But we got some blushes and bronzers and highlighters, which I'm all about the highlighters. Wow, I'm so excited. I think it was, you either get this or like a Tarte palette. And I saw the Tarte palette and I was like, I hope I don't get that one, because that one looks kind of really boring. This one looks like the more fun of the two. Alright, what else we got in here? Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Trying to show you, but the light's not working very well. I'm not a professional here, I'm just an enthusiast. Let's see what's in here. Alright, this has dimethicone in it, so my mommy gets another present. Because silicone breaks my face out like crazy. But still, super cool. That usually goes for $52 fucking dollars. And the other, let's see. And this palette usually goes for $44. What? Alright. Oh, I actually use this shit. Hydrating hair balm. It's funny, it's called Mistress. Be like, my name is Princess, god damn it! My name is Princess, but really, this stuff is like, how much on here? Let's see. $29. Yeah, I use this stuff. It's really good to like moisturize your hair and not be super greasy. Okay, so I got Moda Studio 8-piece Pro Glam Brush Set. Been needing some new brushes. Let's see how they feel. Hopefully they're good. These ones retail, the set retails for $69.99. Wow. They look like they're pretty good quality too. We'll feel this one. Oh, they are good quality. Ha! This is gonna be fun. Like, I saw you get this or a curling iron. I wanted the curling iron, but I think, like, I'm happy they sent me these brushes because this shit's gonna be fun to play with. Needed new brushes anyways. But that's awesome. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Hank and Henry. Slick with it. I think this is eyeliner. It's longwear liquid eyeliner in Blickety Black. This retails for 20 bucks. Wow. Like, Boxy Charm, you're beating Sephora Playbox's fucking ass with this shit. Alright, Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I've been seeing them posting this shit on Instagram too, and I was like, hey, I hope I get the shimmery color. So let's see what color I got. Let's see. Oh man. Gave me the boring plain color. What is this called? Angelo. This is not shimmery. And I'm probably not going to use this. Aww. I wanted the shimmery one. But no. Like, even still. Huh, that's the end. That is some really good value. 21 bucks a month. Plus, what is it? The luxe boxes are like $28.99 a month, but they only do it like 4 times a year for the Boxy Luxe. So you're basically paying like 20 bucks for a shit ton of shit. It's like 350 bucks worth of shit right here. I'm going to stay subscribed and hope next time that they have colorful things, that they send me all the things with the shimmers and the glitters, because I like that. And overall, I'm very happy with it, minus the fact that there's no curling iron or shiny lip gloss. But I like it. Thumbs up for me so far. I'll let you guys know when I get my October box, and we'll see how it goes, if it's gonna keep being cool or who knows. I don't know. I hope they keep staying like this, because this is really good. This is some good shit. 21 bucks, or this one was like $28.99 a month, because this was the luxe one that they give out, or not give out, that they put out every season. Yeah, I'm excited to see how the normal boxes are going to be. So, alright, thanks for watching, people, and enjoy playing with your makeup if you got it. If you're not subscribed, I would tell you to subscribe. They're not even paying me for this shit, but that'll save you a bunch of money, especially with, like, you're being a beauty addict like me. I fucking love Sephora and everything. This is going to save you a ton of money. It's like I'm telling you, it's like a Sephora shopping spree, only $21 a month. What? That's crazy. So save that money, subscribe to that fucking Boxy Charm, and have some fun. See y'all later.